Got a video that's sideways or completely upside down? No problem. VLC Media Player can rotate and transform a video while you're watching it. In this guide, I'll show you how to rotate the picture, choose the exact angle you need, and keep the correct orientation during playback. Let's fix it. First, open VLC Media Player and load the video you want to rotate. Select Media, then open File, choose your video, and click Open. Let it start playing so you can clearly see its current orientation. Next, open the Tools menu and select Effects and Filters. In the window that appears, choose the Video Effects tab. Then open the Geometry section. This is where VLC provides its rotation and transformation controls. Inside Geometry, look for the Transform option and enable it. You'll see a drop-down with several transformation choices. For a simple sideways video, choose the rotation that matches the direction you need. Yeah, this is the quickest way to correct common orientations. If you need a custom angle instead of a standard rotation, enable the Rotate option. VLC gives you a rotation control that lets you adjust the video to a specific angle. So, move the control gradually until the picture looks straight. Now close the Effects window or return to the video and check the result. The video should appear in the new orientation immediately. If it's still not right, reopen the Geometry settings and make another adjustment. One important thing to remember, VLC's video effects change how the video is displayed during playback. They don't automatically create a permanently rotated copy of your original file. If you need a new rotated video file, you'll need to use VLC's conversion and transcoding features. To return the video to normal, go back to Tools, Effects and Filters, then Geometry, and disable the transformation or rotation option you enabled. The original orientation will return. Pretty simple. And that's how you rotate videos in VLC. Use Transform for common angles, Rotate for more precise adjustments, and remember that these changes are for playback unless you create a new converted file. That's all you need to know.